Hello everyone, welcome to NIKO Live Show. It's so happy to see you again. Let me introduce my partner, Celia.
Hi everyone, I'm Celia.
Celia, let's see our good products, NIKO products. The first one you can see is our hot sale product, NIKO gasoline water pump. It's fresh design and premium quality. Look at the appearance. It's so classic. Can't believe how creative our engineer can be. It took much time and effort to design the products and all series brand packing. The most important thing, the service life is one of the most convincing points when talking about the quality. NIKO water pump can guarantee the working hours to reach over 2,000 hours without any failure, but it needs carried out with the right method, so to ensure the engine system running good. In one word, NIKO gasoline water pump adopt the best spare parts, so ensure you good performance. Next one, NIKO shovel, water hose, V-belts, gears, and spare parts for crusher, spare parts for power tiller. These are the spare parts of the gasoline engine, and those are spare parts of diesel engine. We, Tianhong Machinery, has 27 years experience in the engines industry. We have factory, tires. Wow, NIKO diesel engine.
NIKO diesel engines are so wholesale. We export over 800 containers this year. Half of them are the engines, really a big amount. Today, we'd like to introduce some good NIKO products to you. Evelyn, can you introduce the V-belt to us first?
Okay, V-belt is usually used to link two or more rotating shafts to transmit power efficiently. You see here, NIKO V-belt. Let me show you some pictures to help explain. Here, you can see here is a main structure. Here is the power, the electric motor, and here is a V-belt to transmit the power to the machine and make it working. And this one, a flour mill also here, flour mill here, the power electric motor, and here is the V-belt. Next one. This is the air compressor. This engine is the power air compressor. To link them, here is the V-belt. And this one is very hot sale in some Africa countries. It's used in gold digging industry. Here is the crusher, hammer crusher. Here is the power diesel engine. The V-belt is here to link the power and the machine.
Okay, thanks Evelyn. Our NIKO V-belt have two different qualities, the good quality and the high quality. Can you introduce the good quality to us?
Sure. Here you can see it's good quality NIKO V-belt. Unlike with others, NIKO V-belt adopt the good material, the rubber, the rubber is very good. And inside the wheel belt is 5x3 hard line. So when it's working, the wheel belt shape is not easy to change. You may some bad quality wheel belt. At first, the wheel belt is like this, and after a long time working, the wheel belt the shape will change, will be longer, and even break. But NIKO wheel belt, because we use good material, so the service life is very long.
Okay, good. Can you introduce the high quality to us?
Okay, let me show you. This one is a higher quality NIKO VIP. NIKO VIP wheel belts. You can see the surface is different. You can see some pattern on the surface. It's because in this better quality wheel belt, the inside material is better. Both the rubber and the hard line inside the wheel belts, we use better quality. So the service life compared with the good quality one, this one is better. Most important, this wheel belt can be used in different working environment. It can be used in both hot temperature up to 70 degrees and to the cold temperature up to -55 degrees. So you can see this quality is so good. Hi Celia, I saw so many bearings here. Can you help introduce what kind of bearings can NIKO offer?
We can offer different kind of bearing, such as ball bearing, UCF bearing, UCP bearing. Look, this is UCP bearing, and so on.
Oh, good. As you may know, there are different quality in the market. For bearings, the best material is bearing steel. The second one is carbon steel. And in the market, they may use very bad, they may use second-hand material to reduce the cost. So that one, the quality must be very poor. Yeah, very poor. Okay, so for NIKO bearing, we use 100% new and bearing steel material.
Yes, that's the reason why NIKO bearing has a longer service life. And how about the NIKO bearing's quality?
Yeah, I offer you two different qualities. One is bearing steel quality. Another is carbon steel quality. We can have a comparison to show you the difference. Okay, here are NIKO bearings. Here is this one, NIKO. This one is bearing steel quality. You can see the outlook is so good. Here is tamper-proof sticker. Only have this sticker is real NIKO. Real NIKO, and the carton is very beautiful. Inside the carton, we also have another bag. There's also NIKO logo on it. Okay, this one NIKO bearing. 100% new and bearing steel material. This one is carbon steel. Help me. This one is carbon steel material. You can compare. It's different. Here you can see NIKO one is shining. The surface is shining. The carbon steel one, the surface is a little bit rough. It's a big difference. You can see it.
Yeah, I can see the difference clearly. What's the advantages of NIKO brand?
NIKO bearing. First of all, the material tells a lot in the quality. Besides, you can see. Listen. No noise. No noise.
Yeah.
And the is high precise. And for here is the water seal. Even this part is very important because if the water seal broken, you have to change a new bearing. So NIKO, we use a special oil resistance rubber, so it can help in longer the bearing service life.
Yes, we indeed suggest you do not buy the poor quality. They are less strong and is easily to be broken during the process.
Yeah, sure. So the most easy way is to choose NIKO bearing. Ensure you the best quality.
Today we bring another very important spare part in diesel engine. Look, it is a water pump. It is powered by diesel engine and is used for agriculture, irrigation, firefighting, industrial emergency, and so on.
Wow, it's really widely used. So today, let's talk in detail about it. Look at the appearance. It has two colors.
Yes, the pump's body is golden and the pulley is red. It looks very nice.
Right, really good looking. In addition, our product process has also been greatly improved. It mainly reflects into water seals and bearings.
Yeah, you're right. We use oil-resistant glue stainless, steel water cell, and graphite static ring, which makes the product more wear-resistant, corrosion-resistant, high and low temperature resistant, thus increasing the service life by 1 to 2 times.
So good. And we use new bearings in the water pump. And with low noise and high precision, can double in longer the service life. Apart from that, look at the pulley position here. If not proper position, it will break while working. NIKO can assure you accurate position. NIKO diesel engine water pump. So good quality.
Next to it is the piston ring. It's also beautiful.
Look here, we offer you two different types of piston ring. The first one is plastic bag, and this one is colorful carton. Let's open it. NIKO piston ring is made of alloy material, which is the top quality material for piston ring.
As the poor quality one use ductile iron, they are less strong and is easily to be broken during process.
Yes. Look here, NIKO always caring about the details. You can see there is oil in the piston ring. It can help the piston ring to keep keep away from the dust. Here we also have special design. You can see here there is on the edge, you can see here we have special design. This part is to help gather the dust and to pile up the last oil or dust to ensure the dust cannot go inside the combustion room, so that it can help in longer service life of cylinder liner and the piston pin.
Very sensible design. Our NIKO brand have been consistently improving and developing towards a higher direction.
Yeah, so every detail design can help explain why NIKO products can be sold to so many countries and can have so good reputation. So just believe, buy NIKO, be better. That's all for today.